So I was in another competitive eating challenge. Here's like a sneak peek of what the neighborhood looks like with some neighborhood view shots. Check out the Clinton, Washington video, which I will link to as soon as it's posted. But for now, let's get started. What's up everybody? Today's episode shows me in another competitive eating challenge at the Mac Shack. It was a really cute event. It was kind of like a community get-together, almost like a block party. It had that sort of vibe. And throughout the day, there were several different competitions. There was like a kids competition. Here are the kids, so cute. So the kid on the left actually won, which congrats for him. He ate the most in like 15 minutes they gave them. And like a juniors, and then the main event. And this is the belt that was on the line.
What's up?
This was my eating partner, Justin. So it was pretty much a whole bunch of pairs versus Wayne Wonder.
5, 4, 5, 4, 3, 2, go! Now.
You be wildin' for? Come on, I get my grin on. I'm smiling, cause I always get my win on. I've been on so many different stages. Like 100 magazine pages, made people smile everywhere that I went. I even put it on the first black president. It's evident, I'm hot as a crock pot. With a big smile like Mr. Hot.
Do not look at the eyes of a tiger when you are in the safari running. Just keep your head forward and run.
So what the f*** you be wildin' for?
See what's going on here?
If you're breathing, you achieving. Right here. We have
got some intense things going on over here. Chad might have a little challenge over here with our team over here. They're coming for you, Chad. Now this team over here too, they put in some work too. Will and Grace. I'm going Person homie putting in work too. Listen, we got a battle here.
This year, bad vibes we cut off. More trips, new chicks with no draws. More drinks, more smoking, more cars, more shows.
All my official Mac Shack judges.
Look, I ain't trying to throw no shame.
Bro,
cause I can't see
I need eyes on the outside. This is close. This is close. No, it's not.
Right now,
they looking really good.
they looking real good.
She's gonna lose. You're gonna lose. They're coming for you. Sorry. Shouldn't have said that.
Yo, this is intense. Like,
Oh, I see it.
you got at least 3 people really making this thing a battle. Really making this thing a battle.
Come on, y'all can take out the chin right now. Let's go.
You just have to show me.
You got a lot to
Keep that shit up there, but why you keep looking back there? You focus right here.
Oh, he got caught up looking. It's over. He's staring in the eyes of the tiger. He froze up. I watched him just froze up. You guys, challenges, dig down deep. You got a chance. There's a couple of y'all that got a serious chance. Especially right here. They got a real chance. But this guy's a champion. And he knows how to turn it up another gear. Do you got the next gear?
That's it. Let me get back. See? More than.
Yo, hey, we need people back up just a bit.
He got that. It's a wrap.
You gotta have it. I'd have been.
Really close. Really close.
God, y'all are so close. I don't even understand where y'all are right now.
almost done, but these challenges right here.
I like going to the Tula. I put rocks all in my watch. I like texts from my exes when they want a second chance. I like I think what they say I can't. Call me Cardi,
We still watching the battle for second place, though. Still watching that battle for second place. And it's over. It's over. Chance got it. I'm watching the battle for second place. Let's go, Dubai. We still got second place. We got right here and right here. Right here. Right here, bro. Right here. It's real. Right here is real. Yo, y'all got this. They got like 3 more scoops. They got 3 more scoops. How many scoops you got? They got like 3 more too. Who's gonna get it there? I gotta look at 2 places at once right now. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's come down to the wall. We got like 2 more. We got 2 more. That's it.
They did it! They did it! Okay, move out.
Who's good?
They
got it. Let's say they got it. Yeah. All right. All right.
That was awesome.
Now, similar to in the pizza eating competition, Wayne Wonder did win. But Justin and I came in second, which means that we beat out all of the other pairs.
Shout outs to the second place winners too. We got a little something.
And that's how we won these hats. So here's a quick shot of Wayne winning his belt. So don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more content. Like, share, and subscribe below so you can be one of the first to know when new videos are posted and new media is up. The motivational message of this video comes from Wayne Wonder himself.
Eat fast and don't stop. Just do your best and have fun. That's all it is.
I'm sure you can find a way to make that apply to your own life. I'm exploring obsessed, and I'm going exploring.
Justin, you got any words of wisdom?
Let's just kill it.
Let's just kill it.